Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to a journey into the delicious world of Puerto Rican rice. This isn't just any rice. It's a flavorful, vibrant staple, often made with pigeon peas and packed with aromatic seasonings. It's the kind of dish that brings families together, a true taste of the island's culinary heritage. Mastering this recipe means you'll always have a crowd pleaser ready for any occasion. It's comforting, satisfying, and absolutely essential for experiencing authentic Puerto Rican flavors. To capture that authentic Puerto Rican flavor, a few key ingredients are absolutely essential. First, you'll need sofrito, that incredible aromatic blend of peppers, onions, garlic, and herbs. It's the soul of the dish. Then, grab your sazon and adobo seasonings. These add not only incredible taste, but also that beautiful golden hue. And of course, long-grain rice is a must. If you're making the classic Arroz con Gandules, pigeon peas are your perfect addition. These elements truly transform simple rice into something extraordinary. Building the foundation for our flavorful rice starts by heating a little oil in a heavy pot, ideally a caldero. Once it's warm, add your prepared sofrito and any diced ham or bacon, letting them sauté until fragrant and slightly browned. This step releases all those wonderful aromas. Next, stir in some tomato sauce, green olives, and a few capers. Let this mixture simmer gently for a few minutes, allowing all those incredible flavors to meld together beautifully. This creates the rich base for your rice. Now it's time for the star ingredient, the rice. First, make sure to rinse your long-grain rice thoroughly under cold water until it runs completely clear. This helps prevent stickiness. Carefully add the rinsed rice to your pot, stirring gently to coat every grain with that wonderful sofrito mixture. Then, pour in your water or broth. The correct liquid-to-rice ratio is crucial here for perfectly cooked, fluffy grains, usually about 1.5 cups of liquid for every 1 cup of rice. This step sets the stage for a wonderful texture. Once your rice and liquid are in the pot, bring the mixture to a rolling boil. As soon as it's boiling, reduce the heat to very low, cover your pot tightly, and let the rice cook undisturbed for about 20 to 25 minutes. Resist the urge to peek or stir. This allows the rice to steam perfectly. Once the cooking time is up, turn off the heat and, importantly, let the rice rest, covered, for at least 10 minutes. This final rest allows the steam to redistribute, giving you perfectly fluffy, separate grains ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.